We're starting with a blank canvas in video format. I'll importing the product image and click BG Remover. I'm clicking on the background and the color wheel and selecting a blue color. Gradient and radial style. Crop the unnecessary sections. Go to Elements and look for Isolated Mixed Berries. I'll go to Edit. Click the Magic Eraser, and I'm going to select everything except Roseberry. Crop the unnecessary sections. Import the same image and do the same steps, but this time select everything except blueberries. Okay, now duplicate the page. In the second page, reduce and rotate each element one by one and place it on the can just like you see it. Navigate to Position, then Layers, and move the can layer to the top layer. Duplicate the first page again and switch its place. On the third page, arrange the elements a little further apart from the can so it looks like they are progressively distancing themselves from it. Let's add transitions as well. Select Match and Move, scroll down, apply between all pages. Reduce the duration of the layers. Duplicate the first page again and switch its place to the end. Hold down Shift and select the elements. Navigate to Animate and scroll down, select Rotate and increase the speed. Apply the same animation to the can as well. On the third page, apply the same animation to all the elements except the can. And the same for the first page. Let's play it. Increase the duration of the last page until the can is in the correct position. Let's see the preview. If you're enjoying it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell.